Mother's Day! Mummy! We're staying home today. It's like overcast, sunny, then it looks like it's gonna rain, and sunny again. But if it stays sunny for a little bit, I think I might take my girls to the park. Need to get out of the house.
You're the one sabotaging me. Fuck you, that moron's a bad word here. It's made the biggest mistake of your career. No. Some break.
Yep, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. We're watching the change up.
Go away. No, don't shoot that.
Ify!
Look at the camera. I'm going ready. Look, you're falling.
Open, I think. Yeah, pretty sure the swings are in and everything, but we're just going to check it out to see how good it is. She's scared. Swings. She doesn't like swings. But yet she's gone on the giant drop. Does that make sense?
You said you were going to buy me something.
I said I'll get you an ice cream, and I did. No, I said ice cream, and I got you an ice cream. Look at Kalia's face. She also smiles one minute and then she's frowning. Oh my gosh, it's gonna rain soon. I can feel it spitting. No! This is the park. It's pretty lame for kids like Coda's age, but it's okay for us only. Oh no, it's spitting! It's spitting! It's got a little basketball. I think we're gonna go, it's gonna start raining. Ah, it's raining! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I know. Holy crap, I'm falling! Alright. Yeah, my babies will get sick. Come on. No! We survived the rain. We got home. Lucky it's just in front of my house. Zonia was really scared. So my sister's gone now. And Coda's taking a nap. And Mazoni's laying on the couch. Hi baby. You okay? I love you. Love you. Kiss, kiss. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some noodles and just chill out again. Now the sun's out. So it was raining when we were at the park and now the sun's out, and it's been out for quite a while now, like long enough to be able to have a little play at the park, but now I'm just like, ugh, cannot be bothered. I'll just save it till a day where I know it's going to be beautiful the whole day. So while my sister was here, we're thinking of another challenge to do. And I seen on YouTube, I follow this, you know, like I follow a chick. and her man's got like a YouTube channel, and he likes doing challenges. They're Kiwi, so they live in New Zealand, and they did like this Burger King challenge where you get like 4 of these burgers, 4 of those burgers, like heaps of burgers, and you try and eat as much as you can, like stuff that I would not do that. I would literally vomit. But they did this baby food challenge, and I'm like, how hard can a baby food challenge be? Like, I've fed my kids when they first started eating solids. I tested out those, you know, canned baby food, and I could handle it when I used to test if it was hot or not, and I could handle the taste. But Rebecca can't. She does not like baby food, so that should be a really good one. She should be gagging instead of me. Phone's ringing. Hi babe, are you done? Oh yeah. We're Skyping with Daddy. Hi Daddy. He's eating. What are you eating? They look yum.
Huh?
They look yum. I can see a Coke Zero next to you. Okay. Oh, you're right. You claim my noodles? Okay. Because I love you, I'm going to give you them. How cute is that?
How to be a circus star.
Yeah, you're so cute.
What do you think, Sasha?
Yay.
You ought to be circus
She thinks she's cool that she knows how to play on an iPad.
To be a circus star, you must master.
Look at this big girl. She thinks she's so cool right now. Sitting at the table, playing the iPad, eating with a big fork. So cute. They're just being so cute today. I don't know if it's because of Mother's Day or... Nah, they're cute every day. All day, every day. All day, every day. I'm just planning what I should be doing, what I'm going to be doing next week with my girls. I like to kind of have an idea of what we're going to do. But some mornings I just get up and do whatever I want. I'm seeing all these old school pictures, like of people that I'm friends with on Facebook and their mums. It's so cool, like what they used to look like back in the day. Look at that grubby face. Say, love you. Say, love you. Say, love you. Say, love you, Mama. Say, love you. Oh. Oh. Where's Peekaboo? There she is. Where's Coda Girl? Peekaboo! Where's Coda? There she is! Where's Coda? There she is! Where's Coda? Oh no, my battery's gonna go dead, but I'm gonna call it a night now because there's nothing else we're gonna be doing for tonight. So we're just gonna have dinner and then shower up and then go to bed. Bye.